What's up, everyone? Welcome back to
Travel and Fun.
yes, another trip video from us, and we would directly like to tell you, welcome to
Athens.
Athens. Yes,
Athens.
Athens, Athens,
Athens.
or whatever. Yeah, but welcome to Greece. Yes, it's a totally new country for us. I have been here before, but this is first time for Anaka. But I was here like almost 10
10
years
years
back.
before, yeah.
Yeah, so it's also equally as new to me as it's to Anaka. But for people who are coming new to our channel, it's me. I'm Deepak, and she is
Anaka?
yes, and we are an Indian couple. We live in Denmark, and we love traveling. So if you love traveling, you're at the right place. Yeah. So today we are in Greece, and we are going to explore Athens and another place too that we'll let you know soon. But Athens, it's full of history, guys.
History, yeah.
Yes, the land of gods, Greek gods. Yeah. So when you talk about Athens, you know like what we would be visiting and all. So yes, we'll be visiting those places, but we are taking it slow and steady. We are here in Greece for like four and a half days, around 4.5 days. So we'll take it slow. So Athens, we are almost around 1.5 2 days. We are in Athens, and after that we'll go to some other place. But welcome to our channel and
And
welcome to Greece.
We
Yeah.
hope that we can give you a good glimpse of what to see in Athens, and also like tips like what to do, how to do, when to do, and all those things.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
So stay tuned.
yes, we are at Athens airport actually. It's actually
First
and
impression, the airport is good, but
The signs are not good.
signs are kind of misleading sometimes.
yeah, it is.
So, it's a bit confusing. The signs are not very straight here.
But you will find it out. You can ask to people and you will find it out. You could see common people following a gangway and you can follow them.
Yeah.
But it's good. The weather is totally different from Denmark.
It's hot, right?
Yeah,
We
we're
could
feeling
feel
warm
it.
here.
Yeah, true.
We were wearing jackets and all, but here you don't need that. I don't know.
And
Yeah.
it's kind of early May. So
Yeah, it's early May, so it's already summertime here, I guess. So the temperatures are around, like the peak temperatures are around 28, 29 degrees, 30 degrees. So it is quite warm. So let's explore Greece, guys. Greece, yeah. Let's have tzatziki, pita bread, and everything. Yeah,
Tzatziki.
let's go. Yeah, what is it?
Tatsiki.
Tzatziki. Yeah. So let's do that. Let's go. So guys, this is where you can get the bus tickets for the city. Yeah, Airport Express. So we have to take this bus called X95, and you get this kind of card. It's called the Athena ticket. And this is only valid for one journey to the city center, and it costs like €5 51 cents for one ticket. So yeah, so we have to catch the bus X95, but this is X93. You can see such boards here. So probably we have to find where X95 stands. But we saw X95 waiting here, but so we'll see. Let's see. So guys, for the metro, just outside the airport, you have to come cross the road and then take this escalator to the metro. It says to trains. In English it's written only two trains, but actually in Greek it is written, I can assume that it's written to metro and trains. So we'll go upstairs and see how it is. From here you take a right. Then you enter this hall which says to platforms, ticket counters, long-term parking and all. So let's go to the ticket counters, yeah. So I think we'll take our tickets here in these machines. Let's try. So you can see it says the last metro train to Athens is at 11:34 in the night. So when you come late at night, just be mindful. So select your language and then say buy travel product and then say Athens and airport. So if you want a round trip, so you can also do that. Yeah. So basically like Athens and airport round, and say 90 minutes. So it's like 16 euros
16.
for a round ticket. And say suppose you want to take a single ticket, so 90 minutes. So that's like 9
9
euros.
euros.
Yeah. So as we said like last time.
I'll cancel it.
Yeah. So we took the X95, right? So that was only like 5 euros, and this is like 9 euros, and it takes you to the same place, and it almost takes the same time. So I don't think that's maybe it saves a little bit of time, maybe 10 minutes or so, but I don't think it's worth of like 4 euros extra. So guys, this ticket you have to validate in this machine that's behind here. Yeah, you have to just hold it besides that machine, and please do it as soon as possible. The ticket checker gets in as soon as you enter into the bus. So they come with a scanning machine to scan your ticket. So validate it as soon as possible. Any ticket here in Greece, or at least in Athens, you have to validate it. Purchasing the ticket is not enough. You have to validate it once you get into the transport means. Yeah. This is the X95 bus we are in. Yeah. It's pretty packed. So this is going to the city center, and the place is called Syntagma. Syntagma. Actually, that's the hub. So that's where all the metro lines meet. Two of the metro lines. For the other two, you have to go to some other place. We'll go there and we'll let you know.
Yeah, actually for this airport it was 5.5. You told already, right? And
Yeah.
if you're taking a metro, it is only 2 euros.
Yes.
And
Yes.
since we are tired and we don't want to.
Yes, we had to change. Actually, no, we didn't even have to change. So we just wanted to see how this X95 buses. So the next time when we come from the airport, we'll take the metro. Yeah, that's our plan. So this is to show you like how. So with this X95, any bus number that starts with this X, it's like it's an express bus. So it will cost you more. It is public transport, but it will cost you more than the normal buses. Yeah. So, how is it? How do you feel?
It's nice. The weather is so good.
It's amazing weather here, guys. Like, really nice. Like 23, 24 degrees. Cool breeze flowing in. No jackets. You're in your summer clothes.
Yeah, like we feel like we are in India.
So the place actually looked very much like India. Like roadside shops, they're all open, and most of the shops here are still open. It's like almost 9 p.m. and it's still open. Very unlike Denmark. Yes.
They are also open until 10:30, 12, and
Yes.
some shops I could see they're open all day, 24 hours. So
Yes. So we were
This
thinking
place
like, what
is
would we do
survival.
for food? So then when I checked into maps, everything is open, and at least until 10:30, until 12 there are shops open. Eatery is open. So it's very nice.
while we are talking to you, there is this guard change happening at in front of what is this? Is a parliament?
It's a very famous place. It's at the Syntagma Square. So we are at the Syntagma Square. So what you see there is the guard change happening. There's a lot of people standing there. So this is the Syntagma Square, guys. You see. So this is actually one of the main places for this bus hub, and from here you will get metros, buses, and trains to many places around in and around Athens. Yeah, amazing. A very good vibe.